up right on the river, and it's in my neighborhood that I grew up in. Across the river from the French River. Like the geography is completely raw, yeah.
You know what drives me crazy about cars? Every fucking car movie, they have the goddamn windows down and everyone's hair is perfectly still.
Oh, yeah.
You're going 90 miles an hour, like throttle. They're just not going to sit there and do it. That drives me insane.
Drives you insane?
Yeah. The driver was Brian, I mean, I'll never will. So at least he had that.
This bitch's hair looks perfect. It's going 100. No, but the girl. The girl.
You find that less believable than Diesel's heterosexuality?
Pet experience.
Yeah.
I'm off now.
I'm going to the wedding, by the way. Happy New Year. I haven't seen you for a while. You do, but you here when I'm not here.
I'm talking specifically about Vin Diesel.
He's probably one of the owners that.
We're equal level of like, yeah, bro. Yeah. No,
I'm a
Vin Diesel and that
customer. I'm
one.
spending money. He's even the owner.
Let's stand them. I know, I'm in
2002.
No, I think it was off forever. I know.
Why does he have
Greyhound?
Are you guys talking about me? I come off on my own.
I figured that. What are you drinking? The same thing as him?
We also saw that one, not...
I can prove him that I came off on my own. I'm one of them. Are you guys talking about me or somebody else?
No, we're talking about Vin Diesel. Yeah, it's just
Well, I'm like him then. If he's coming off on his own, I'm one of him.
I just...
Hey, this is my friend,
I don't think
Derek.
the way
Derek,
someone acts
nice to meet
or
you.
how they portray themselves on
He's playing. You gotta go to the airport tomorrow.
There is subtext to this right there. I'm not. You say you're bringing.
No,
People can be anything.
Well, I didn't know Sam was coming out. That's why I said he was supposed to drop me off.
I don't think that either. Like I think you're. I think this is like thinking. I think this is like that you thought you had your
couple times
yeah,
probably or whatever. But there's missing.
Avengers 2 was flawed, but I don't think it was.
Tambah pinah motorkum dali
He was talking about a thing. Him and his cousin, but I didn't mean that. Like,
I haven't actually gotten.
I mean, he's too
Umar Tagaru.
tiny, bro.
Humberti. Umar Tagar Humberti.
He could be alive.
Sigara sanili. Na Tagar Humberti ko ini. Why?
I'm gonna file legal action next month because then
حزب الله بلعب له.
Just asking big motherfuckers.
إيه. عقب قبرتها لي بقولوا صحف لي بلبا ما تجيب ما تحب لي بإنباكس. أنا لقويسي خيلو مني لقويسو مني خايم تجارو خمس رؤوس غير أنا مسوي دم خمس ذكر يزرعوا هون شارع مقنطر حد ذكر قصة سياحة من سياحة مستقرأي حمبرتا ما يتبادل معنا حمبرت زي أبعدنا بحماسين ترى إلى اللي أفهجرنا زمتنا أجرنا كان يزلوا نقي يزلوا سي أبتغور بيتهم مسؤول تغور بيتنا حمام من حليفنا ناس نبتم ما أخذ نبتم حماسين نحن واصل زلنا نبح حماسين نحن واصل زلنا نقول أسمرة تقرنا نقي ولا أبنا نقوم بسجعوا من النتنا سوا قلنا تقرنيا من حوم كل صرف نبل تقرنيا الناتو تسجعوا أجرنا والناتو بهرنا ناتو وجي زبهرتا زين مرسع عايشنا ما أخذنا في حماسين نفتم لك ما أخذ إن شاء الله أريح قبل توارسي زوي ده ما تفرق بعد ما كنا إحنا نشاف سجل لهم حدا أجر ما بس حدا أجر كابو ما تبدأ قلنا ناتنا تمثيل حاجة ما نحرم حقيقهم لحد خالو خالهم قايل إحنا الناس قبل ما يلكينا معلم يطلع معلم يسعسعو معلم I'm the freakiest bitch in town, bitch. I live in Oakland for a reason, to make people crazy. If I'm crazy, I have a red card. They call me P, with a red P. It's called like P. That means like permanent.
I did.
أنا أقول زي ما يتلقوا زي ما يتلقوا زي ما سلك تشين اللي نسوي خمس سنين سوي بريد على حلوة هل شيء قاعد تقول كنت أنا بعد ما تذكر شيء قاعد تقول أنا كلام مثل حلم سويت تدرس تاريخ طريقة من ذا على حلق زي هذا بعد بس مالي لا تخاطر حق طبعا قص عتيه تأي خد خانده أي وقري تقار إيلو لا بس كنا راح سايقبرني تقرني إحنا سبعة أي وترني سبعة عين اللي متنسى أصل حين كلا وانت تحبن قول مني جزاه شكرا إذا ندبر مع كورونا ترجع هم تقدر أكبرني هوتيل جزيرة لا تكال جزيرة لنا كنا first thing for Australian first thing for women بالكل women مالك أكيد تراي تاني تقالس تموت كل اللي يشير تقبل معرسة غاي قدمي أتراي تسكوا هذا أقل قال إثنين أتراي تكون على سيجارة لما أشتري ما أنا نرقص كوني عديرة ماسك إيه جزء حزن مثل صهيرة صار كم حضر كل فرقه لك قالك قبرنا قديم حجرا مشاني في حي محجرة أو عم بستلي كم صريح أنا توصل ولا وين ويليام صدق جاكاف جالس أطرحه نو حمد وحبواري stop smoking كم نقدر يبيع بقى ورا بيجيك أكسر You want to be in my video?
I was just I just moved there.
You already in.
I was hanging out with them.
And I'm here.
She called me.